Hello guys, hello good afternoon. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. So guys, I just finished filming a video and I wanted to film another video, but guys, my camera battery just went off. The battery went off, so I just finished charging my battery, and can you imagine, I'm going to pick my son from crash now, so I really don't have time. And after picking the kids, noise will not even let me film my video. So guys, I'm taking you guys along. We're still going to be talking about like what I wanted to talk about. We are still going to be talking, so but this time you people are coming with me, so take a walk with me and let's discuss about things we Africans need to learn from the Europeans. Yes, there are a lot of things we need to learn from them, guys. I know there are a lot of Africans that always have problem with the European. I don't want to say black now or white now. We are not talking about colors, okay guys? It's a windy day though. There's too much wind. Let me show you guys this house. We just finished building this house. It's so cute. Oh wow, just so cute. So guys, this is my neighborhood. Yeah, this is my neighborhood. Yeah, they just finished building this house and it's just so cute. It's just so cute, guys. So the first one is, I don't know why I choose this one as the first, because this one kind of is talking to me just like I'm talking to myself right now, because I know that there are a lot of us that do this. That's why I'm sharing this point. Stop bottling things up. Like sometimes in our marriage, in our friendship, there are some things that you really don't like, but you will not want to say it to the other person because you don't want them to feel bad or anything. Instead, you just decide to like bottle it up, and all that is really bad. Like what I love about the Europeans is that they say it the way they feel. Like if they are not okay with it, they just tell you straight. They tell you straight up, okay? They just say it to you straight, like, okay, this thing that you did, I don't like it, I'm not happy with it. And for me, I think life is easier that way, because most of the time when there is something bothering you and you don't say it, my dear, the thing will be affecting you. Like you just be sad for no reason because there is something that needs to be said, but you're not saying it. So that's one thing I love about them. They just tell you the way it is, even though they are going to apologize for it later. They don't mind, they can apologize later, but at first they've already said what is in their mind. Yes. So guys, the second point number 2 is learn to ask for help. Yeah, this one, I say guys, like I said before, this video is just like me talking to myself. Like I hardly ask for help. Like learn to ask for help. You are not God, you need help. Just learn to seek help. You know, we as Africans, we are always scared of someone saying no to us. We don't want to ask someone for help because we are scared that they will say no, and we are going to feel bad, and maybe that is going to change how the way we feel about that person. But the Europeans, they don't care. They ask you. If you say no, it's fine. They understand. And if you decide to help, it's fine. They also understand. So I think those are some of the things that we kind of need to learn from them. Okay, it's very important, guys. So guys, yeah, I'm almost close to Nathan's crash now. Just look how beautiful that weather is. So beautiful. Just take a look. Let me show you guys around a little bit. It's such a beautiful weather. I did not take my tripod. My hand is hurting me already. So the third point, number 3, is learn to say no. Like when you can't do something, learn to say no. It's not by force. Because when you say yes when you're supposed to say no, you're saying no to yourself, like you're displeasing yourself and pleasing someone else. So it's very important to say no when you can't. That's it. It's okay to say no. It's not a big deal. When you don't feel like, or when you can't, that does not mean that you're bad or you're wicked or you don't care about people. When you really can't, I'm sorry, I can't. You have to be polite about it, but it's good to like learn to say no when you really can't do something. So that's, like I said, you know, with the Europeans, for them it's just they can't. Like there is one thing my teacher told me. I am saying teacher now, like I'm a student here. My formator, I don't know the word. Maybe I think it's lecturer, I don't know. There was one thing she told me. She said, if it's hard for you to say no to someone, when they ask you for help or they ask you for something, the first thing you tell them is that you're going to think about it. Always tell them that you are going to think about it, because it's better you think about it first and let them know if you can or you can't, than just giving it to them, okay I can, and later you find out that you can't. So guys, this is where we are. It's not bad to help somebody. When you can really help someone, you have to like help them. They really need your help. But when you can't, you can't. So that's one thing I love about the Europeans. Like when they cannot do it, they just tell you, I'm so sorry, I cannot. Yes, they're always like that. So I believe that we Africans, we need to learn that, because most of the time we always like displeasing ourselves just to please other people. So point number 4, sorry guys, I have my key with me. So point number 4, is okay for somebody to say no. Yes. So some people will just take it as you've committed a big crime. Like when you say no to them, oh my God, it's the end of the world. Someone saying no to you today does not mean that tomorrow the person cannot help you or will not help you. So we just even stop asking for help because you said no. It's okay, it's fine. Someone can say no to you, so it's not a big deal. So let's just, as Africans, have it in our head that yes, it's okay to accept no from someone. It's not a big deal. Yes, the Europeans, when they are not okay with something, they say no and they don't see it as a big deal, okay? And they accept it from people too. When somebody say no to them, they accept it. It's not a big deal. Yes, we are supposed to be on lockdown, but see everywhere. Look at people online there in front of Hashon. We are supposed to be on lockdown. So guys, it's fine for you to accept no from someone. Yes, that's it. So the 5th point, okay, the 5th point is after picking my son, okay? I'm already in Nathan's crash now, so let me pick my boy. I'll see you guys later. So guys, I'm at Nathan's crash now. I just finished picking Nathan from crash. Look at Nathan. Nathan, say cuckoo. Say cuckoo. It's my face sad. So guys, as we are done picking Nathan now, we are going to pick Harmony from school now. So the last and final point, guys, everything. Let me remove my mask. I don't like talking with mask. everything is not racism. Like there are some people that if they just see that somebody is white and the person, anything the person tell them is because they are black, stop that, it's bad. Just have it in your head that they are good people and they are bad people. It's not because someone is white when they talk to you, it's because you're black. Maybe sometimes this have happened, like I've witnessed maybe on many occasions. Maybe someone that is black gets corrected by I don't want to use color, like an African person get corrected by a European. They'll be like, okay, this stage I have to use color because there are also black people that are European, so maybe they get corrected by a white person and they be like, yeah, it's because I'm black, it's because I'm black. You have to remove that from your head and just have it that they are good people. Sorry, Papi. They are good people and they are also bad people. You have to come here, it's here. Ali, it's working? Bravo, Nene. Guys, like I was saying, everything don't have to always be racism, okay? Just have it at the back of your head that they are good people and they are also, let me remove my mask, and they are also, I'm still at the subway station, so let me leave my mask first. So they are good people and they are also bad people. I know some Nigerians who can never marry their tribe, okay? We call that tribalism, yes. So if we have tribalism in our country, then why are we so bothered about racism? Yes, you see some people, they will say, hey, God forbid, I cannot marry this tribe. Natale, come on. That's it, guys. Yes, you just have to have it at the back of your mind that there are people that are nice, there are people that are good, and there are also people that are bad. That's just it. Stop the racism. Stop thinking that, okay, because this person that is talking to me is white, the person is just talking to me the way I know. It does exist, we know that, but even in our country, tribalism still exists. Tribalism exists too. You will see someone who is Benin, we say, God forbid, I can never date an Asian guy. Asian person will say, God forbid, I can never date a Benin girl. Igbo person will say, God forbid, I can never marry a Benin girl. So this thing happen. So we should stop it and stop focusing everything on, yeah, it's because of the color of my skin, it's because I'm black, it's because, you know. So guys, our little market. So guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the tour so far. Leon City tour. Nathan is hungry. Nathan is hungry boy. Hungry boy. He's an hungry boy. Nathan? He's an hungry boy. He's Nene. So guys, that's it. Let me remove my mask. Yeah, I just finished picking my daughter up from school, but Nata, give me your hand, Papa. But she went home with her friend, so they are going to bring her back home later in the evening. So Nathan is still here. So guys, so everything don't always have to be about race. Everything don't always have to be about the skin color. Yes. So guys, hope you guys enjoy working with me. Hope you guys enjoy this tour. Sorry, my city with me. So in case you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? Just give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Like, join the family, join the life fam. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Nathan, say bye bye. Nathan is not in that mood. Nathan is hungry. So bye guys, see you in my next one. Ciao, bye.